We specialize in a full range of services to keep your indoor air just right, no matter the season. From brand new HVAC system installations to fast, reliable repairs, we've got your comfort covered. Our services include air conditioning installation and repair, heating and furnace services, heat pump repairs, ductwork cleaning and sealing, smart thermostat upgrades, indoor air quality solutions, seasonal maintenance, 24/7 emergency HVAC service. We know how important comfort is to you and your family. That's why we offer fast response times, honest pricing, and highly trained technicians who treat your home like their own. Whether it's a sweltering summer day or a chilly winter night, you can trust our HVAC service to keep your systems running smoothly. Call our HVAC service today and experience comfort you can count on right here in your neighborhood.